Hello, welcome back to Algebra 1. In the last section, we introduced the concept of an exponent. We taught you what an exponent was, which is the most basic thing you can learn about them. Now, we're going to learn how to handle exponents in terms of this thing called order of operations. If you remember, a long time ago, we taught you how to do multiplication and division and parentheses in the order in which you have to do everything in algebra. And here we're just going to add one more item into that list because now you know about exponents, so we need to teach you when you need to do your exponents in terms of order of operations. So we're just going to write down order of operations. And I'm going to write down here with exponents, because now we have introduced the concept of an exponent, okay? So, long time ago we talked about this, but we didn't know what an exponent was. Now we do. So the first thing you do is the first thing that you always, nothing has changed. The top most important priority that you do is you do the parentheses or brackets, whatever was written down. You always do those first, inner to outer. Okay? Which means if you have multiple sets of parentheses and they're nested inside of one another, you always go and do the innermost ones first, and then you work your way to the most outermost one. So that's the number one thing you do. Now, what I'm adding here, so that's number one. Number two, right after parentheses comes your exponent. So you do your exponents. And this is new because this was not in what we have learned in the past. Number three, you're going to do what we've learned before, multiplication. I'm going to put that as an X, and division. I'll put that as a division symbol. We do that left to right. Just like you're reading a sentence, left to right, multiplication